All of you. I want to hear a loud yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. A long
Okay.
new march has now begun.
A long new march has now begun.
We'll be the change. We'll be the one.
We'll be the change. We'll be the one.
We are the sun with the burning ground.
We are the sun with a burning cloud.
Ready to shine and bring the light of hope for everyone.
Ready to shine and bring the light of hope for everyone.
Stay healthy, stay safe.
Stay safe.
Hello and welcome to Pegasus Academy for another interesting session. Today we are bringing in lots of positive energy. We have lots of kids joining in today, putting up their questions on how they are facing a lot of problems during this COVID time. A lot of depression, a lot of concerns, frustrations, and a lot of things that they cannot do during this COVID time. Watch it and see if you can relate to some of them, and if you need personal suggestions, you can let us know also. We are welcoming Dr. Rochna Shukla, who will be taking this session today and will motivating all of us students.
Good. Let's start with our session. Now, all of you come up with your questions, okay? So, individual questions, what all you are feeling during this COVID time, this pandemic, what all problems you people are facing, you have to discuss with Dr. Rochna Shukla, Dr. Rochna ma'am. And she'll be helping you out, guide through this pandemic situation, this depression, a lot of negative energy, and she'll be boosting up your energy level, and she'll be gearing you up for the next, a new sunshine. Yes, you all will be shining bright in near future. Yes, you have to think like that. So let's go ahead.
Hello to everyone. And I'm feeling so good and so energized to see so many little bells of joy and energy. But what is actually disappointing a little that you all are smiling. Why is it so? Can you all please give a big smiley? Aise wali. See, I just want all to drop in whatever is disturbing you the most these days. I'm very much sure that you all are stuck at home, so you'll be feeling very bored, very monotonous kind of life, and like so much of depression is there. So, what is disturbing you the most?
You can ask directly, or you can put it on chat. Schools you are
Very
missing.
good. Schools.
Oh, nice.
Like my 10th standard, because my 10th is just over and I'm just missing my friends a lot.
Right.
Friends.
Yeah. We didn't even get a farewell. That's a different thing.
That's true. The farewell is a very close thing to our heart, because this is like the goodbye kind of a thing to a big journey.
And
Now I'm just like depressed of my 11th standard, like the admissions and everything.
okay.
Are you changing schools?
Yeah, like actually mostly I want to be with my school best friends. I don't want to leave them, but I can't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Missing something. But the thing is that my best friend is in another society.
Yeah.
So it's basically we both miss each other so much. Even in the pandemic, before the second wave, we used to meet each other at times. I used to go to her society, come on mine, and I used to spend hours. And we used to spend a lot of time. But then all of a sudden, the second wave came, and everything was. I went so off, and now my summer vacation has started, so I have nothing to do, like, nothing at all. So it's just so hard. I feel like I'm losing myself somewhere, but at the same time, I'm trying to collect myself and losing myself. It's just a hell lot of emotions, and I'm not able to keep myself together at times. It just scatters everywhere, and
Okay.
so much tension that automatically you just get tense. Even if you don't want to, you just have it in you.
Right.
And any emotional threat you are feeling of losing anything or something like that, that fear is there in your mind, Sakshi?
No, ma'am, there's no fear. It's like I'm not happy, I'm not sad. I just cannot feel any emotion at this point. I've like lost all of it. I've lost connection with myself somewhere in between. I found myself last summer. Like I found a connectivity with me because I had so much alone time. But I feel like this is too far right now. We're just stuck at home. So it's like I'm losing myself. So it's like I've lost any emotion, connection, and stuff.
Correct. Let me ask one more question. During this entire phase, since you've been living at home, staying at home, not going outside, have any of you had any fights with your parents? Any kind of fights? Small, big, they are not listening, you are not listening, anything?
Yes.
What about what?
Just about things. I just get angry at any small thing that happens. I just get angry and lash out. She lashes out at me. Papa lashes out at me. So it's just so much altogether.
Like at like this point of time, I'm just like missing my best friend in the school. I just want to go out and just roam with my friends. I just need a friend.
See, you all are missing. You all are missing your friends. You're missing your teachers, parties, get-togethers, the fun you have. But the current scenario is that you cannot move out. This is the situation. You cannot move out, but you are free to do whatever you want inside your house with the limited people. See how blessed we are that we can interact this way. Just imagine if devices wouldn't have been there. Have you ever imagined this? Like these kind of device we have these kind of platforms where we can get together, we can talk, we can ask exchange of our views and ideas and our problems. No? Don't you people feel yourself blessed? क्या हुआ? Answers, please. Can you all start thinking this way till the situation becomes normal? Can you all do this?
Of course, everyone of us can try, but at times things don't go the way you want them, and it annoys everyone.
Very true. And it will, because situation is changing so drastically, and just always remember that it is not changing you alone. It is changing for the entire world. And in India, like we have so many categories of people. We are blessed that we have a home, we have parents, we have people who can take care of us, no? And this time nature is being very cruel. There's so many things which are happening outside. So if we will keep thinking about those things which we do not have, we will always feel unhappy. And when we will feel unhappy, the negative energy will surround ourselves. You know, we are magnets. You all know this, that there is a magnet in our mind. And we can attract whatever we want. So now it will be our choice what we want to attract. We want to attract positivity or we want to attract negativity. This is our choice. And now you all are grown-ups. You all can think the way you want. Can you all do this? Okay. So there was a boy. There was a young boy who was going somewhere, and on the way there was a patch of we can say a dense सा area पड़ता था जिस उसके रास्ते में to go by walking. That fellow had to go by walking. तो उसके रास्ते में एक बहुत dense सा patch पड़ता था, जिस बहुत green patch था, वो बहुत बड़े पेड़ थे, कह सकते हैं छोटा सा जंगल था. और उसको उससे होकर के निकलना. So while he was walking, he entered that forest, and when he reached in the middle of the forest, उसको वहाँ का जो environment था, that was very pleasant. बहुत अच्छा था वो. तो उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा, और as he was so very tired ना, तो he felt like staying there and taking a halt. So he stayed under a tree. वहाँ पे वो एक पेड़ था, बहुत अच्छा बड़ा सा घना पेड़ था, तो उसके नीचे जा करके बैठ गया. वो बैठा तो वो थका था और मौसम माहौल वहाँ का बहुत अच्छा, तो इमीडिएटली वो सो गया. जब वो सो करके उठा तो उसको इतना फ्रेश फील था, इतना अच्छा लग रहा था उस दिन में कि वो उठा, और उठते ही उसके मन में एक अच्छा सा थॉट आया कि अगर मुझे अभी इतनी जोर से भूख लग रही है, अगर एक अच्छा सा बढ़िया सा बहुत सारी डिशेस के साथ में एक खाना मिल जाए तो कितना अच्छा. उसने सोचा, और उसके सामने एक बहुत बड़ा सा प्लेटर आ गया, फूड प्लेटर आ गया, उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें थी, और वो उसने खाई और वो खुश हो गया, एकदम उसकी पसंद का खाना था. ही वाज सो हैप्पी. तो उसने सोचा वाह क्या बात है, इतना अच्छा खाना मिल गया, खूब ठंडा ठंडा पानी मिल जाए तो और भी आ जाएगा. उसने पानी सोचा और पानी भी आ गया उसके पास. उसने पानी पी लिया, लेकिन पानी पीने के बाद उसको ये रियलाइज हुआ कि ये जंगल है, यहाँ आस कोई नहीं है, और मैंने सोचा और खाना आ गया, मैंने सोचा और पानी आ गया, और अभी पता चला कौन दे रहा है, कहीं पता चला एक भूत हो यहाँ पर, वो जो आ जाए और मुझे खा जाए. एंड इमीडिएटली वहां पे एक भूत आया और उसको खा गया, है ना. अभी क्या हुआ इस पूरे सीन में, क्या हुआ, कोई बताएगा ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
Came, we were thinking about the food platter, so the food platter came, so everything is in the mind. The ghost came, so that was from the mind. We only had made the ghost to come through
Very good.
thinking
Very
that
good.
the ghost will.
Like interpretation. But what, from where that food was coming?
From
Was
the
it only the mind? Was it only from the mind? Like, you think we can get? Can we get? अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं तुमके सामने बैठ के तुम लोगों से ये बातें करूँ. Can I do this? मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा है कि मैं ये सारा ये जो है ना, ये ऑनलाइन वाला ये सब हट जाए और हम फेस टू फेस एक रूम में बैठ करके बातें हो. मेरा दिमाग तो ये कह रहा है, लेकिन क्या ये पॉसिबल है अभी? बताइए, नहीं पॉसिबल है ना. तो ऐसा क्या था उस जगह पे कि वो सब कुछ उसको मिला? मैं आपको बताती हूँ. आपने सुना हो माइथोलॉजी में की जो स्टोरीज हो, पुरानी जो पौराणिक कहानी है हमारे, उसमें एक ट्री होता है, विशफुल ट्री, उसको हम कहते हैं कल्प वृक्ष, जो हमारी हर तरह की इच्छाओं को पूरा है, और ऐसा पेड़ कहा जाता है कि है. तो जब वो बच्चा रहा था तो वो जिस पेड़ के नीचे था, वो पेड़ वो कल्प वृक्ष था. उस कल्प वृक्ष के नीचे बैठ के आप जो भी सोचेंगे वो पूरा हो जाएगा, है ना. तो उस कल्प वृक्ष के नीचे पहुंचना was a mere coincidence. It was not planned. He had not planned that he will go. He didn't know even that it is a वृक्ष. Fine. उसको पता ही नहीं था कि ये कल्प वृक्ष. वो तो बस सडनली बस जाके बैठ वहां पर, और उसको अच्छा लगा, उसने जो मांगा वो हो गया. लेकिन उसके विचार जो है वो उसके अपने थे, है ना. Whatever he was thinking was his own. So reaching under that kalp vraksh is a coincidence. हम नहीं जानते कि हम कब उस कल्प वृक्ष के नीचे पहुंचेंगे, है ना. लेकिन हमारे विचारों पर हम बराबर अच्छा रखेंगे तो हम कभी भी कल्प वृक्ष के नीचे पहुंच, हमारी सारी इच्छाएं पूरी हो जाएंगी. इसलिए हमें हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचना चाहिए. एक हम लोग जब छोटे थे तो आवर मॉम्स यूज्ड टू से कि कभी भी कोई बुरी बात नहीं बोलनी चाहिए, क्योंकि दिन भर एक बार इट वाज सेड लाइक दैट कि दिन में एक बार हमारे जीभ पे, हमारी टंग पे सरस्वती माता जी आती हैं. सरस्वती माँ जानते होंगे सब, है ना, ज्ञान की देवी, विद्या की देवी जो है माँ सरस्वती, वो आती हैं, और वो आती हैं तो उस समय हम जो बोल रहे होते हैं वो सच हो जाता है। इसलिए कभी भी ऐसी कोई बात नहीं बोलनी चाहिए, है ना। ये सिर्फ इसलिए कि हम नेगेटिव पे नहीं करें। ये बात इसलिए कही जाती है कि हम नेगेटिव बात करें, एंड इट इज मतलब बहुत ज्यादा इसको कह सकते हैं एस्टैब्लिश्ड फैक्ट है कि हम जैसा सोचते हैं धीरे धीरे हम वैसे ही आते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग वी नीड टू फोकस अपॉन इज कि हमें अपने अपने पर थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करने की जरूरत है। जो सिनेरियो है उसको फिलहाल बदला नहीं जा सकता। दिस इज अ फैक्ट, दिस इज अ सिचुएशन। अब हम इस फ्रंट पे तो वर्क नहीं कर सकते। वी कैन नॉट मूव आउट।
मैम सॉरी,
व्हाट वी कैन डू, और कितनी, अब इसमें आप अच्छाई देखिए क्या है कि अभी आपके पास में एक लिमिटेड एरिया है, आपको अपने घर के अंदर कर जो करना है। स्वप्निला मैम, यू वर सेइंग समथिंग।
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट मैम, लेकिन मैम इस सिचुएशन में कोविड टाइम में these kids are like going through a lot negative. आप चाह कर भी when you want, you don't just want to think positive, but they are not able to connect themselves, I mean, with positive energy, with positivity, because so much negative is going around that they themselves are not able to cope up with that. So I mean, what will you suggest to come out of that negative circle and come up with a positive energy again and focus on what actually is required right now?
Very good question, Nila ma'am. And I think if we will start work this way, what we can do, है ना, we are thinking a lot over what we cannot do, and that is why we are depressed. But if we will thinking about what we can do, we will certainly get the answer, and we will certainly come out of this bottom. No, see, this is the time when we need to, what we can learn inside the house. How can we entertain ourselves inside this situation when we are in this? What we can just see, what I expect you all to do is with a paper and a pen and just write down. See, it will be different for everyone, fine? Like suppose I'm taking one boy had said that he's missing going to the library. No, this is the scenario. So for what you go to library? You go to library to read books, to get books. There are so many other ways right now inside your home. We have Kindle, we have internet, like so many options are there. You can select your books, you can read books. Can you do this? So okay, going to the library and smelling the books and reading the books and sitting in that environment and reading books is obviously gives much more pleasure and much more contentment, but the scenario is not supporting us. So we cannot stop reading, we can stop learning. What we have to do is we have to find out ways. We are human beings. See, हम human beings हैं और we have that courage to rule the world. हम कर सकते हैं ऐसा.
I have a suggestion.
Can you all tell me?
For Vignesh wanted to go to the library. Maybe Vignesh, you can start writing now. Since you have read already a lot of books, why don't you just try writing something? And it will involve books, and it will involve a new skill, and plus you might come up with something really, really good, and you might really improve English skills, and it will be something interesting. Your parents might feel really happy about some article that you've written. Yes, actually.
Very true. See,
Hello, ma'am. You just told about what things we can do at our home itself, but staying at our home, it's like you're locked up somewhere, and your spirit automatically comes down, even if you don't want to. For some point of time, like for a few months, starting of the lockdown, for a few months, everyone had a spirit. Okay, this is good. We'll manage, and this won't go this far. Ma'am, after 3 months, everything is next to a disaster. Your spirits automatically go down, even if you don't want to. It's like someone's caged you. You're locked in a cage. Like even now, I love dancing. I'm trying new styles of dancing, but I don't just dance at my home. I had platforms dancing. I went to new place, explored. Now I'm just stuck in my house the whole day. I just cannot dance, especially in my room or in the house somewhere. I need to go somewhere. And I used to go out like restaurants with my family. Now I cannot go anywhere. So man, the spirit automatically comes down. I just don't do anything. I think all of us have the same problem.
Right, that's true. And we are all finding solutions to whatever situation we are in. Like, for example, I was actually stuck alone for some time in the lockdown, and there was nobody else at home also. So, I mean, that was much worse than just being at home. I was all alone at home. So, this is where I think we can find more solutions to what we can do. What about the dance problem? What should we do about that?
Sakshi, that is what if we start comparing with the people and we start feeling gratitude towards the things which we have now, what all pain people are going through, then we'll find that we are in a better condition. And every day we'll start our day with sending gratitude towards 10 things around us. Feeling gratitude towards whatever we have. You should be thankful for what you have right now. You have a music system. You have a space at your home. You can just open up your windows and just let the cool air or breeze come inside and just feel that air and start. You can dance. It's nothing like that. You can make your videos. You can join and you can ask your friends to join on Zoom. You can schedule Zoom this meetings and you can start with the dance class, right? Or maybe you will find yourself together with the friends also, right? So every time we can find a solution. That is how we are different being a human being. When we start thinking in a manner, we can do wonders. We can do everything what we want, Sakshi. And all that is here, as Rochna ma'am told you, that what we think, same thing happens. If you start thinking, yes, I want to dance, you can make your audience as your mom or dad. I used to do that when I was young. I used to make my mom sit in front of me and I used to start dancing on whichever song I feel like. If I like classical dance, I used to play music and I used to dance. I used to tell her that sit and just watch my dance. So anything, I mean, it's nothing like that now we cannot improve on ourselves or we are feeling lonely. It's all here. It's all here. We have to think about that. And Rochna ma'am is absolutely right. The way we think, that's how we start creating a world around.
One thing I would like to tell you all regarding this uncertainty of exams will happen in future. What will be our career? No? One thing I would like to tell you all collectively to each and everyone, that whatever will happen will have to everyone. So, like there are, the number of students appearing for 12th board is in lakhs. So whatever will happen to each and everyone. Whatever decision will be taken for everyone. You are not alone in this, journey. There are so many friends with you. So just do not worry about that. What you need to worry about is your preparation. So there are two kinds of preparation. One preparation is with the physical resources and the financial resources, and that is the mental preparation. Mental preparation is totally in our hands. Totally in our hands. So we have to prepare ourselves mentally. Just think, आप लोग कभी सोचते हो, कभी सोचना अच्छा इस बारे में अगर नहीं सोचा हो तो मैं ये बात आपको बोलना चाहूंगी. अभी भी जो सिनेरियो है उसमें भी channels and many people are suggesting that things should be handed over to army. Why? आर्मी को क्या इसके लिए ट्रेन किया गया है कि वो कोविड सिचुएशन को हैंडल करेंगे? नो. फ्लड्स आते हैं, कोर्टे से सेना को बुलाना पड़ा. दंगा हो गया, पुलिस के कंट्रोल में नहीं है, सेना को बुलाना पड़ा. Why only army? And army people are not being to take care of these kind of things. They are being trained to take care of our borders. So why do we call them a just think over it. You know, you will get all things. Because there is a saying, army people लोग एक बात बोलते हैं, एक saying बहुत famous है, and that is, the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. You know, कभी सोचा आपने कि आर्मी वाले क्या होते हैं? उनका आप देखो कभी उनका कितना स्ट्रिक्ट रेजिमेंट के साथ में वो रहते हैं. एक वॉर लाइक सिचुएशन क्रिएट करते हैं, फिर वॉर लाइक सिचुएशन क्या हो सकता है उसकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, उसके बाद इंजर्ड होते हैं तो फिर अपनी दवाई करते हैं, अपने आप को ठीक करते हैं, एंड अगेन दे गो बैक टू द सेम काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन. दे क्रिएट अ सिचुएशन एवरी टाइम. दिस इज व्हाट आई नो अबाउट. एक वहां पर आपको कोई खाली नहीं होगा. आपने कभी, आपको पता है क्या होता है वहां पे जो रउत होते हैं, जो बहुत सारे लोग हैं, उनको ऐसा बोलते हैं, मतलब मजाक में भी बोलते हैं बार वो लोग बताने के लिए कि हम आर्मी वाले, हम पहले आपको बोले, आप बोलोगे कि हमारे पास कोई काम नहीं, विल आस्क यू कि एक गड्ढा खोदो, तो बहुत जाके बोलेगा आप गड्ढा खोद दिया, हम बोलेंगे खोद दिया, अब इस गड्ढे को वापस दो. व्हाई डू दे डू दिस? बिकॉज इस बॉडी को बराबर काम पे लगा के रखना होता है. अचानक से अभी हमें बोल दिया जाए इसमें जाने के लिए, बॉर्डर पे जाके लड़ाई करने के लिए, हम पहले ही फेंट हो जाएंगे. बट क्या दे आर सुपर ह्यूमन? रोबोट्स बनाए हैं क्या? नहीं. दे आर फ्रॉम अस. दे हैव बीन चोजन. उनको पिक किया गया और फिर उनको ट्रेन किया गया. उनको किस बात के लिए किया? उनको बाढ़ में सहायता देने ट्रेन किया गया? नो, नॉट ऑल. दे वर ट्रेन्ड, दे वर डिसिप्लिन्ड. उनको इस तरीके से ट्रेनिंग दिया गया कि वो किसी भी सिचुएशन को हैंडल करें. दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग व्हिच वी हैव, व्हिच रिक्वायर राइट नाउ, है ना. और अभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं? वी कैन बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हम इस समय अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ पे काम कर सकते हैं और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हम अपनी फिजिकल हेल्थ पे काम कर सकते हैं. ये जो हाथ में डिवाइस है जिससे अभी हम फिट हैं, इस तरह के कितनी चीजें इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे अवेलेबल हैं. हाँ, आपको कुछ पर्सनलाइज्ड चाहिए है, वी आर ऑलवेज देयर, वी विल ऑलवेज गाइड. बस जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. मैं क्यों आपको बोल रही हूँ आप लिखो अपना शेड्यूल? क्यों? क्योंकि काम की शुरुआत हमें अपने ऊपर से करनी पड़ती है. जो हर एक फौजी, भारत की जो फौज है, आपको इसलिए बोल रही हूँ, ये बहुत इंस्पायरिंग लगता है मुझे, प्रोबेबली आपको भी लगेगा. भारत की फौज वर्ल्ड चौथे नंबर पर है, नंबर में, और स्ट्रेंथ में तो मैच नहीं है हमारी का. क्यों? क्योंकि बहुत हार्ड वर्क. ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल वर्क हिमसेल्फ, and not only when they are on duty, when they are not on duty then also this. और किसी भी जगह, चलिए ये फौज का एक चीज हो गया, हम किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को देखें, आप देखिए जितने भी गुरुद्वारे हैं एक डिसिप्लिन के साथ में चल रहे हैं, एक कल्चर है जो फॉलो कर रहे हैं. वो कल्चर बनाया जाता है, वो नहीं बनाया जाता है, और वो सब लोग फॉलो करते हैं, तब वो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर्म में आता है. तो यू ऑल, जितने भी बच्चे हो यहाँ पर, आपको सबसे पहले शुरुआत खुद से करनी है. जो नेगेटिविटी है वो किसके पास? हमारे पास. दूर कौन भगाएगा? हम भगाएंगे. नाउ हाउ कैन यू डू इट? दिस वी विल टेल. फॉर दैट दिस academy is there, and for that these teachers are.
Thank you so much for a wonderful session and for making us full of positive energy and changing our focus towards thinking positive and thinking right. And really thank you for coming to our platform. And all the students, we want you to understand that how important it is to get a counselor, a good counseling session, which motivates you. See, your energy is draining out. Here we have Dr. Ruchna Shukla ma'am. She's there to guide you, to help you out, and to come out as warriors, as winners in your life. So just don't get disheartened. Anytime you feel like you want a session, you can enroll yourself with Dr. Ruchna Shukla. She'll be guiding you through, she'll be taking out you from that loop of negative energy. So when you start getting into that loop of negative energy, then you just drain out your energy and you are not able to think constructive. So she is there to help you out, and hope to see you all, and with the next session, that is dance session, which we'll be keeping for sure as suggested by Dr. Ruchna ma'am. So we'll invite her also. Yeah.
Sure. So I will certainly be there. I would love to be.
So over to you, Tanushree ma'am. We can wind up the session now.
Yes, definitely. So for today, let's how did you like it? Everybody, did you enjoy it today? Did you feel relaxed for some time talking to everybody, some new people?
Yes.
I think that is the start which we want to make, so that every day we'll be progressing and getting more positive energy, and we will see how best we can bring what all good things we can bring for you, and more party sessions that we can have together, and new people that you can meet from everywhere, from across the country, from different cities, okay, and make new friends. So you'll never fall short of friends over here. Now see, now you wouldn't have imagined that you would meet so many people, so many other students as well, but you are meeting right now. So it is happening for you somehow. Maybe it was planned for you that you will get to meet so many people this way, since you're not able to go out. So everything is happening, and it will happen for the good. Okay, so let's have your thoughts. Let's have your more such questions that we can arrange. Yes, please.
Ma'am, what we have to do in our copies?
You have to write your schedule, your everyday schedule. What all you are doing.
Okay.
Okay, just that, and then we'll see what all you can do, which will make you happier. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you, Dr. Roshna.
Bye.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Roshna ma'am. Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.